Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing really well. For those who don't know me, my name is Deepthi, and for those who know me, hello again. Today we are going to explore an amazing tool that has changed the way we live, learn and play. Can anyone guess what it is? That's right, it is the computer. And computer, I think it's one of the interesting subjects. Okay, so let's learn what we are going to do today. Today we will be learning about some latest technological developments. Okay, so let's get started. Our chapter 1, chapter profile, AI and robotics, natural language processing, that is NLP, drone technology, 3D printing, robotic process automation, that is RPA, augmented reality and virtual reality, and Internet of Things. Okay, brain boosting, here you have to write the name of the inventors of these robots. Okay, technology is all about using tools, machines and systems to make our lives easier. Of course, everybody knows that technology means to make our lives easier. Artificial intelligence, that is AI, is a type of technology that allows machines and computers to think and learn like humans. AI helps devices to recognize patterns, make decisions, and solve problems without being told exactly what to do. AI technology makes many tasks faster and easier by helping machines learn from the data and get smarter over time. So in this chapter, we will learn about the latest AI technologies. Okay, so we all are familiar with artificial intelligence. Okay, so here we're going to learn about some of the latest AI technologies. Okay, so AI and robotics. AI means artificial intelligence, and robotics often work together to create smart machines that can perform tasks on their own. AI provides a brain for the robot, helping it make decisions, learn and adapt to different situations. Okay, so what does AI provide to robot? It provides actually brain to the robot so that it can take decisions, it can learn and adapt to different situations. Okay. Robotics, on the other hand, is about building the physical body of the machine that can move, grab or interact with its environment. For example, in a factory, robots with AI can build cars or other products by assembling parts more quickly and precisely than humans. AI helps the robot understand how to do the job, while the robot's mechanical parts carry out the task. Together, AI and robotics are making our world more efficient. Okay, so robots with AI can build cars, okay, or other products. How do they do it? By assembling parts, okay, and they do it very precisely. Okay. Now, application of robotics. AI and robotics are used in many areas to make work easier and faster. Let's know about some of them. Factories. Robots with AI help build things like cars or phones. They can work quickly and make fewer mistakes. Okay. Healthcare and hospitals, robots with AI help doctors during surgeries, take care of patients or help figure out what's wrong by studying test results. Can you imagine? Robots with AI help doctors while doing surgeries. Okay. And moreover, they take care of patients, right? Self-driving cars. Cars and drones that use AI can drive or fly on their own without a person controlling them, making travel and deliveries easier. I'm sure you must be familiar with self-driving cars. Self-driving car means driverless cars. Okay, there is no driver needed for these type of cars. So these cars run by the help of AI. Okay, home helpers. Some robots like vacuum cleaners or voice assistant. Example, Alexa, help with cleaning, turning on lights or giving reminders at home. Okay, Alexa is what? Voice assistant. It is also a type of AI. Farming. AI and robots help farmers by watering plants, picking fruits or checking crops or problems, making farmer more efficient. Okay, so with the help of AI and robots, workload of farmers has been decreased. Space and deep sea exploration. Robots are used to explore space or the ocean where humans can't easily go. They collect data and take pictures for research. Security. AI robots help keep us safe by doing things like detecting bombs or watching over places to prevent danger. Okay. AI robots also help in security. they detect bombs. Okay. Natural language processing, that is NLP. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computer understand, interpret and respond to human language. Okay, it allows machine to read, listen and communicate with us in ways that feel natural. Means it helps machines to read, listen and communicate with us in a very natural way. Okay, so that it feels natural. So for example, NLP is used in virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa to understand spoken commands. We often use Alexa and Siri, okay, and they understand our spoken commands. Translation apps that convert one language into another. Chatbots that answer customer service questions, okay. Speech recognition software that turns spoken words into text, like when you use voice typing. Okay, sometimes while searching we use voice typing, like we say something, we speak something, okay, and then this software, what does it do? It converts spoken words into text, right? So NLP helps computers make sense of human language, even though it's often complex and full of different meanings, so they can better interact with people. The field of natural language processing is divided into three parts. Speech recognition. It converts spoken language into text. This is used in virtual assistants, voice typing, and speech to text apps. Natural language understanding, NLU. It processes spoken or written language to provide a link between inputs and what they represent, analyzing different aspects of language. Natural language generation, that is NLG, it helps to produce meaningful phrases and sentences along with text planning, sentence planning, and text realization. Okay, so these are the three parts, or you can see field of natural language processing. Applications of NLP. NLP is used in many areas to make work easier and faster. Let's know about some of them. Virtual assistants. Apps like Siri and Alexa uses NLP to understand what you say and respond with helpful information like setting reminders or answering questions. Okay, so whenever we say something while using or Siri or Alexa, okay, so they respond. Okay, they try to understand what we are saying and then accordingly they respond. Okay. Language translation. Google Translate uses NLP to convert text or speech from one language to another, making it easier to communicate with people in different languages. Okay. For example, we don't understand some language like Spanish or French or Marathi or Tamil, right? If we understand Hindi or if we understand English, then we can translate Hindi or English to different languages. Okay. So all these is done by NLP. Chatbots. Many websites use NLP-powered chatbots to answer customer questions and provide 24/7 without needing a human to respond. Okay. Most of the websites today provide chatbots. If some customers have any queries, any questions regarding their products or whatever, these chatbots are really, really helpful. Okay. Voice typing. When you talk to your phone and it type your words, NLP is being used to turn your speech into text. Spam filters. Email services use NLP to detect and filter out spam or unwanted emails, keeping your inbox cleaner. Okay. Now, NLP is also used in the field of spam filters, means email services. Okay. So here, sometimes in email services, sometimes we get spam messages. So NLP, what does it do? It detects and filters out those spam messages. Okay. Or emails. Drone technology. Drone technology refers to the use of flying machines that can operate without a pilot or on board. These machines, often called drones or unmanned aerial vehicles, can be controlled remotely or fly on their own using pre-programmed instructions. I'm sure all of you are familiar with drone. So drone technology is what? These are the flying machines, but there is no requirement of any pilot. Okay, so these machines are also called unmanned aerial vehicles. Aerial means the task which is going on the air, like aerial dance, the dance we do in the air. Okay, so aerial vehicles means vehicles which run in the air. Okay, applications of drone technology. Drone technology has found numerous applications across in various industries, revolutionizing processes and providing new possibilities. Here are some applications of drone technology. Aerial photography and videography. Drones can take beautiful photos and videos from the sky, making them great for capturing events, nature, or real estate. Okay. Nowadays, drones are used while taking photos and videos, okay, from the sky, right? Package delivery. Companies are using drones to deliver items like food, medicine, and packages right to your doorstep, making delivery faster and easier. Okay. So this is very interesting also. Like your food items or medicine or whatever package are there, it will be delivered by the drones to your doorstep. Farming. Farmers use drones to check the health of crops, monitor irrigation, and even spray fertilizers or pesticides, helping them grow better food. Okay. Search and rescue. Drones can quickly search large areas for missing people or assess damage in disaster situations, helping rescue teams respond more effectively. Okay, so drones also help in disaster situations by assessing the damage. It can help the rescue teams so that they could respond more effectively. Okay, wildlife monitoring. Drones help scientists and conservationists track animals in their natural habitats without disturbing them, allowing for better study and protection of wildlife. Next, 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that allows you to create three-dimensional objects from a digital design. Instead of making something from materials like wood or metal in a traditional way, 3D printing builds the object layer by layer using materials like plastic, resin, or metal. Let's know how the 3D printing works. Create a design. First, we make a digital design of what we want to print using a computer program. This design shows the shape and size of the object. Then send to the printer. Once the design is ready, we send it to the 3D printer. The printer reads the design and gets ready to print. Okay, so once our design is ready, okay, then it is sent to the 3D printer. And then what does it do? It reads the design, okay, and gets ready to print. Layer by layer. The printer starts making the object by adding material layer by layer. It begins at the bottom and then builds up just like stacking blocks. Like we stack the blocks, similarly it does its work. Material used. The printer uses materials like plastic, resin or metal. It melts or shapes the material to create each layer. And then finish the object. After many layers are added, the object is complete. We can take it out of the printer and use it. Okay. Fact boot. The first 3D printer was created by Chuck Hull in the early 1980s. It used a process called stereolithography to build 3D object layer by layer. Okay. Now, robotic process automation, that is RPA. Robotic process automation is a technology that uses software robots to perform repetitive tasks that people usually do on computers. These robots can mimic human actions like clicking, typing and moving data between applications. Okay, so imagine like we do clicking and typing and we move data between applications. So all these things are done by the robots. Okay. So RPA helps businesses automate routine tasks, making work faster, more accurate and less costly. Automating routine tasks. RPA can take over boring and repetitive tasks like filling out forms, the data entry or processing invoices, allowing humans to focus on more important work. Okay, so any repetitive tasks are boring. We know that, okay? We don't like doing any work repeatedly over and over again, right? So in this way, robots will help and in this way, humans will focus on more important work, right? Faster work. Robots can work quickly and don't need breaks, so they can complete tasks much faster than humans. See, whenever humans do work, okay, so they need frequent breaks. But in case of robots, no break is needed, right? Reducing mistakes. Because robots follow specific rules, they make fewer mistakes than people when doing repetitive tasks. Easy to use. RPA software is designed to be user-friendly, so businesses can set up automation without needing to write complex code. Okay, so here no need to write any complex code. Okay, cost savings. By using robots to handle repetitive work, companies can save money and increase efficiency. Okay, so robots will handle all the repetitive work. In this way, companies will save money. Okay. Now, applications of RPA. Some applications of RPA in various industries include data entry. RPA can automatically input data from one system to another, such as entering customer information into a database, saving time and reducing errors. Invoice processing. RPA can handle invoices by reading them, extracting important information and entering it into accounting systems, speeding up payment processes. Customer support. RPA can help to answer frequently asked questions or create tickets for customer issues, allowing human agents to focus on more complex problems. Okay. So sometimes customers have some questions, some queries. Okay. So these questions are answered with the help of RPA. Okay. Report generation. RPA can gather data from different sources and create reports automatically, making it easier for businesses to track performance and make decisions. Employee onboarding. RPA can streamline the onboarding process by automating tasks like filling out forms, setting up accounts, and sending welcome emails to new employees. Okay, so RPA, what does the RPA do here? It sends welcome message to new employees. Okay, set up accounts, fill out forms, right? Next is augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality, that is AR. Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital content such as images, sounds, or 3D objects onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception of their surroundings. AR blends virtual elements with the real worlds, allowing user to interact with both at the same time. So AR is typically experienced through devices like smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses, using cameras and sensors to display digital content in real time. So AR technology, that is AR, augmented reality. So here AR blends or merges the virtual elements with the real world so that you can interact or the user can interact with both at the same time. Okay, so you can experience AR with the help of like smartphones or tablets, or AR glasses are also there. Okay, let's know the characteristics of AR. Real-time interaction. AR responds to real-world changes instantly. 3D registration. Digital content is anchored to physical locations, allowing it to appear as if it exists in the real world. Okay. User-friendly, typically accessed by mobile devices, making it widely accessible. Since it can be accessed through mobile devices, so maximum people can access it. Okay. Applications of AR. Augmented reality is used in many areas to make work easier and faster. Let's know about some of them. Gaming. Games like Pokemon Go that integrate virtual characters into real-world locations. Retail. Apps that allow users to virtually try on clothes or visualize furniture in their homes. Okay, so this feature is also available on Amazon, where you see the furniture. So there is also option that visualize this furniture at any corner of your home. Okay. Navigation, enhanced maps that provide directions overlaid on the real world view. Healthcare, surgeons use AR for detailed imaging during operations, and medical students can practice procedures in virtual environments. Okay, so in healthcare, AR is very helpful for surgeons. Okay, and it also helps medical students who can practice any procedure in virtual environments. Real estate, AR tours allow potential buyers to explore properties remotely. Manufacturing, workers use AR to visualize product designs and get real-time guidance during assembly. Tourism, AR enhanced tours provide historical information or points of interest directly on the user's screen during a visit. So AR enhances the way we interact with our surroundings by blending digital content with reality. Okay, so main function of AR is that it blends digital content with reality. Now, virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that creates a fully immersive, computer-generated environment where users can interact with 3D virtual worlds. VR completely replaces the user's surroundings with a simulated experience, often using a headset and controllers for interaction. So, in this technology, we need a headset and controller. Okay, for what? For interaction, right? In VR, users can explore and engage with the virtual environment as if they were physically present within it, commonly used in gaming, simulations, education, and training. Let's know the characteristics of VR. Immersion. Users feel as though they are physically present in a virtual environment. interaction. Users can interact with the virtual world using handheld controllers or other input devices. Realistic simulations, VR can create life like scenarios, making it useful for training and entertainment. Okay. So here user feel like they are they're physically present in the virtual world. It feels like real. Okay. Now, applications of VR, virtual reality is used in many areas to make work easier and faster. Let's know about some of them. Gaming and environment, entertainment. Immersing VR games place players in 3D virtual worlds for a fully interactive experience. Okay. Virtual reality is widely used in games and entertainment. Okay. Education and training. VR is used for realistic simulations in medical training, aviation, and emergency response, providing hands-on practice in a risk-free environment. Healthcare. VR therapy helps treat mental health conditions like PTSD, anxiety, and phobias. It is also used for pain management and physical rehabilitation. Okay. So VR therapy is also there, which helps mental health conditions. Okay. Real estate. VR tours allow potential buyers to explore properties remotely, offering a detailed 3D view of homes or buildings. Architecture and design. Architects and designers use VR to visualize projects and present designs to clients. Okay. So VR is very helpful for the architecture because with the help of VR, they present designs to their clients. Okay. Social interaction. Virtual meeting spaces and social platform allow users to interact in 3D environments, making remote collaboration feel more personal. VR enhances user experiences by allowing them to explore and engage in environments that might be impossible or impractical in the real world. The Internet of Things, that is IoT. The Internet of Things refers to a network of interconnected physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that collect and exchange data over the internet. These devices can communicate with each other and with users, enabling automation, remote control, and real-time data processing. IoT connects everything from household appliances and wearable gadgets to industrial machines and vehicles, transforming how we interact with technology and manage our environments. Now let's learn about applications of IoT. The Internet of Things is used in many areas to make work easier and faster. Let's know about some of them. Smart homes. IoT enables home automation, allowing control of devices like lights, thermostats, and security systems remotely via smartphones. Example, smart thermostats, smart locks. Okay, nowadays smart locks are available. Okay, you can you can control your security system if you are not there at your home, if you're not there, but you can control it remotely via smartphones. Okay. Healthcare, wearable devices and remote monitoring systems track patients' health in real time, alerting doctors and patients to changes. Example, fitness trackers, smart medical devices. Industrial IoT. IoT is used in manufacturing for predictive maintenance, monitoring equipment performance, and optimizing production processes. Example, smart factories, automated machinery. Transportation and logistics. IoT improves fleet management, tracks vehicle location and condition, and ensures timely delivery of goods. Example, connected vehicles, GPS tracking. Retail. IoT enhances the shopping experience with smart shelves, inventory tracking, and personalized recommendations based on customer behavior. Wearables. IoT powered wearables like fitness trackers and smart watches monitor user activity, health metrics, and more. See, with the help of smart watches, we can track our activity, health activity, right? Energy management. IoT devices optimize energy consumptions in homes, industries, and grids by monitoring usage and adjusting power supply accordingly. That is smart meters, smart grids, etc. Okay. Now, revision time. Artificial intelligence is a technology that uses a smart software tools to provide semantic intelligence to devices and machines just like humans do. Robotics is the domain of artificial intelligence that deals with the study of creating intelligent and efficient robots. The goal of NLP is for computers to be able to interpret and generate human language. Drones are remotely piloted aircraft or autonomous systems that can fly without an onboard human pilot. RPA helps businesses automate routine tasks, making work faster, more accurate, and less costly. 3D printing is a way to create objects using a special machine called a 3D printer. AR blends virtual elements with the real world, allowing users to interact with both at the same time. VR replaces the user's surroundings with a simulated experience, often using a headset and controllers for interaction. The Internet of Things are the devices that collect and exchange data over the internet. So students, here comes the end of this chapter. Now you will do practice of the exercise of this chapter.